Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know this two things. First, you need to know where your trend is. Second, you have to trade with the trend, right? I repeat, first know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. What can we say the trend is on our Euro GBP USD? We can say very clear that GBP USD is on a ranging market move. But when you take a look at the current trend, we are in a downtrend move. So basically, in a market move, right, you have the main trend and you also have the current trend. The main trend is very much a ranging market move. We've established that one, right? Now, if you take a look at this current trend, the current trend is also now on a downtrend move. So we've established the fact that we are in a downtrend move on our GBP USD. But guys, I want you to pay attention to what we are going to be expecting for the day, which is a bullish move. We should be expecting a bullish move for the day on our GBP USD. Why are we going to be expecting that bullish move is what we are going to cover right now. If you take a look at this, this is seen as your low, right? Which is an equal low right here. Then here comes the pullback, which is a lower high. Markets then eventually give us this massive sell to completely take out these two lows right here, right? Thereby giving us a new lower low. It gave us this massive low and massive sell and did form a new lower low, right? So market is currently pulling back up, which is about to give us a lower high. So a lower high is currently playing out. A lower high is what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not yet in the buy on your GBP USD, you would want to be looking to go in for the buy for the day. A bullish move for the day is what to be expecting. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.